Hello everybody, I just recently, a couple days ago, posted a video on these Harbor Freight toggle clamps I purchased. They do work great. And on that video, there was a YouTube user by the name of Ackland3 that had posted a comment, said that they worked well for what he was doing. And he mentioned in his comment that he had, some 1-inch dropouts of something, I guess were punched or whatnot, and threaded a hole in them, and he was using that for a quick adjustment, a toolless adjustment, and using a wing nut on the top. So I'm kind of taking that. I thought that was such a great idea. I did do that very thing for mine, with the exception of the wing nut. And here's how the clamp comes, out of the gate, and there's a nut, on the top and bottom where you actually need a tool, a wrench, to make your adjustments and lock these down. And I do have the horizontal and the vertical out here, but I do have 4 clamps. And here is the finished product. So as you can see, there are 2 thumb wheels that have been put on here, and I can just simply loosen one of them up, set my height, and then lock the top one down in any place I want, and there it is. And that is 100% toolless design there. I really did like that idea, and I certainly appreciated his comment on that, because I went ahead and made these for mine, and I do have 4 clamps, I just have 2 here outlined, and I actually have made 8 of these knurled thumb wheels here. And I believe the thread on this was you'll have to check your own, but I think it was a 9 by 1.25 pitch. They are metric. So I did make some. I left a little bit of a shoulder here. I don't know if it picks up on the camera, just a tiny shoulder, so it's got a smaller surface area as opposed to just a flat plate. So just to give you an idea, here's one of the factory ones as they come. I'll just take this nut off here, pull this apart, spin this nut off, put one of the thumb wheels on here like so, put one of the plates on, stick it on the clamp, put the top plate back on, and then one of the top ones. So now you can see I've just converted this to an absolute toolless design, and I can set the height to whatever I want, make fine adjustments, all toolless, lock it in, and there we go. It is at the point now where it is a toolless clamp. So I really appreciated his comment on that, because that did give me the ammunition I needed to make my own, because that makes these things even better. A lot of folks may not have access to machining tools like I do, to knurl these and face them out, turn them out on the lathe, whatever, but you might be able to find some type of a product like this, out of the box that you can just buy. So it's just another idea what you can do to make these already inexpensive clamps work better. And I think it is a great upgrade, for somebody that can figure something out on this own. So with that being said, I appreciate the original poster. Thanks for watching, and good luck.